Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you can't justify a text. So let's say I have copied this text from a PDF, and when I paste it, if you can't justify the text like this, then you will need to replace this with space. Like you need to go to this ribbon editing, and here is an option where you can replace. You just need to write a caret and p with a space. You don't need to write anything, just press on the space bar once and click on replace all. And after this, I am sure you will be able to justify your text, align your text however you want. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.